So, for those of you who aren't willing to pay or do a 30-day trial, there are options available to you, which I will show you now. You will have to use an older version, however it's still very functional, and that would be SketchUp Make 2017. So, how do you download this? Set the home page of SketchUp, click on the top Resources tab, drop down, go to Help Center. Once in the Help Center, in the search bar, type in downloading older versions. Okay, and if you see here, our third option is downloading older versions. That's what we want. Select that. So what we see here is a list of SketchUp Pro download 2018, SketchUp Pro 2017, and a SketchUp Make 2017. So the SketchUp Pro 2017 and 18 are both professional licenses. They will probably have a license restriction, so it'll be a free trial for 30 days, after which you will need to insert a license to use it. In any event, the best option that I was speaking about was SketchUp Make 2017. To download this, simply click on the 64-bit Windows or the Mac OS version, depending on your operating system. In my case, I'll select Windows, and there it is. It's starting to download. Let's go ahead and install this. So, go ahead and let it run this process and install SketchUp Make.